Hi friends, if you can see this right, first of all, see this is S Bank. Actually, after news actually saying that this last quarter was they are in profits, okay, and the actual loss is still there. Actually, in the sense 16,000 change crores is already there. Okay, out of that 2,700 crores was a profit actually came in. So if you take out of that also, there is some around 14,000 change is still pending. Uh, so see, I just want to show you this how they trap the investors and even the traders also. Okay, sometime traders also, but traders can exit. Okay, few guys who enter early here, they'll be in profits. Okay, means normally how they take is this is 15-minute chart. If they break this 200 moving average, they'll go for buy. Okay, so definitely they'll be in profits. But some guys, those who don't book the profit, they will face this music. See this bar. After that too, let me show you the 5 minutes chart and 2 minutes chart. Okay, I didn't take any entry. Okay, I thought of taking an entry, but I felt, means I told myself, why you want to be greedy. Okay, so that's the only reason, and it saved me here. Okay, this is what. Okay, and I was late. I didn't take an entry here. I thought of taking here, but there was an upper circuit. I didn't get the price, and again one more upper circuit. I didn't get the price again. So then I thought, okay, the price moved bit far from the origin place, that is 25.5. so luckily, okay, means see how they are dragging the price again downside. See, the only thing you need to understand, and I myself also uh, just work on the things, is see, basically at 10 rupees, S Bank was bought at 10 rupees by all the, means 49% stake was uh, bought by S Bank, sorry, SBI. Okay, so they are now running the show of S Bank as of now. Okay, even if they have the management, everything also, these guys are running. Okay, so the show is run by SBI, and the HDFC invested some 1,000 crores, ICICI Bank invested some 2,000 crores, Kotak Mahindra has invested something, and few other banks also invested, right? So we all know that it's a history. But now you can buy definitely where and when, at 10 rupees, 15 rupees, or max it should be something like 16, 17 rupees. That is the range we need to invest. Okay, everyone invest in the sense for a trading purpose, short term, for 5 rupees or 10 rupees, not at 25 rupees also. Remember that, because even 25 also, if you keep on investing there, then what happens is, even if you buy some 5,000 shares also, okay, it will cost you something around 1,25,000, right? So when the current market price is 25, then so then if 10 rupees fall to 15 rupees also, then you will be in loss. Okay, so I don't want everyone to do that. So play with S Bank only at 15, 16, 17 rupees, or if you are very lucky, it will come to 10 rupees also. Okay, till that point of time, just watch those levels, and these things will happen, and they will kill the investors keep on like this. Okay, because they know that these moves are there, until how long it will go. And see, common people like us never know these circuits will end. People will think that these circuits will happen till, for example, if you take daily chart, you can see clearly here. See here, just 20 minutes back, it touching here, right? So what happens? People will think 200-day moving average means 50 rupees. Might come, no, who knows? These big hands, if they thought that they will take the price to till this area, who will stop? You can see here how the price is moved, some how many rupees, 25, 30 rupees, right here. So the same way it can also move here. But if you enter at 15, 20 rupees, your risk will be very low, as the base price 10 rupees was bought by all the banks, and they have to hold for 3 years and minimum 2.5 years. They can only sell 25% of their investment. Okay, that's the thing, right? We all know it's a It happened almost 2 months back itself. So try to understand this point. If the price comes to 15 rupees and below that, you are ready to go. Okay, but always some 5% of your portfolio only, remember that, because this is a risky bank. Okay, only thing we can trust is SBI is behind this now. So the only thing. So rest of the things we never know, right? All that balance sheets, reports, growth story, board, and all that we can only read that stuff in the news. We cannot go ahead into the internal things, and we cannot see that, and we cannot study also. So for trading perspective, get those levels. Short-term trading, just think, okay. And if you get those 15 levels, don't book the profit. If the intraday move is going upside like upper circuits, once the upper circuit breaks, right, you can book those profits immediately. But for trading this kind of stocks, right, you need to be before the system only. You cannot do it simply on the mobile, or you cannot do it simply without seeing the terminal or without seeing the chart. Remember that. Okay, if you are doing like that, you will be in loss definitely. This is what I want to share with you guys. These traps will keep on happening on these particular stocks. Means not only S Bank, I don't want to name it. If you see any sudden up move, right, it was driven by news and it will be taken down by the operators. Okay, so they'll also teach us a lesson saying that, okay, next time we should overcome this mistake. Okay, and thank you guys, and hopefully I'll be coming up with one more video today. Thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, thank you.